Hello, we are Plumbing Diagnostics of Dallas. Our number is 214-732-2652. We are a full-service plumbing company, but we also specialize in slab leak detection and repairs. We are running this kitchen sink today to show you that it's running perfectly fine. But don't let that deceive you, because after full-blown testing and thorough inspection, we discovered a leak where you couldn't imagine. Because the leak on this kitchen sink is underneath the floor. As you can see, there's very expensive tile. So you would have to break through this tile, through the concrete, dig all the way down to the pipe, expose the leak for repair, and repair it. Fortunately, we discovered the leak could be accessed through the garage. And we're going to show you where all this water is going. There you go. That's exactly where the water is going. It's a broken pipe underneath the slab. We're going to zoom in so you can look at it a little closer. Now that's a lot of water leaking under your house. The more water comes out, the more roots are going to be attracted to this water. The longer it leaks, the more problems you're going to have. You're going to start noticing foundation cracks, cracks in your walls, and the more your foundation starts to shift, the more leaks are going to develop under the slab. We are Plumbing Diagnostics of Dallas. Our number is 214-732-2652, or learn more at www.plumbingdiagnosticsofdallas.com or www.rescueplumber.com.